Dear friends, today we are going to learn 5 important shortcuts. First, date. If you want to enter date, control semicolon. If you want to enter time, control colon. Second, if you want to select a row, spacebar key is used. Control spacebar, you can select column. Shift spacebar, you can select rows. Select range. Shift spacebar, you can select rows. Select range. Control spacebar, you can select column. Here, because of merge, we are selecting this many columns. Insert, delete row, cell or columns. Control minus, you can prompt for this dialog box and select whatever the option you required. You can delete row, column by another method. You can select rows by shift spacebar and then control minus. You can select column, control spacebar and control minus. 4. Fill data in range or random selected cell. Suppose I am selecting random cells. I want to put it's my shutter. Press F2. It's my shutter. Control and enter will put this data in all the selected cells. You want to select range, put F2, press F2, control enter, it will fill with the data. You can put formula equal to anything. Okay. 5th, Alt key. This is not a shortcut, but if you press Alt key, look what happens. It will show options for you. If you press N, it will press Alt again. It will show option. If press N, then it will insert tab, and whatever you press, it will do that action for you. So it is very important. Instead of remembering so many shortcuts, you can press Alt key and look for this whatever you want.